Hey, she's not looking too bad for June in VA, let me tell you. Welcome back to another client education video. Unfortunately, with most of my clients this year, it's been necessary to burn down their lawns and start over to fix the existing issues. Now, what I've come to realize is that the phrase burn down should not be used to describe what has to happen to fix the lawn. It is a scary term, so I would prefer to use the phrase reset the lawn because that is a more accurate description and it's a lot less jarring. In this video, I want to explain just what I mean when I suggest that you reset your lawn. You can relax because it does not mean this. So let's go with reset instead of burn down. If you have less than 30% of good grass in your yard, then we are going to have to do a reset to get you back on track. Now, a reset involves getting rid of all of the existing weeds and grass from your yard. In order to do that, we use what's called a non-selective herbicide. Now, there are so many different types of grass and weed killers out there to choose from. But in order to reset the lawn, we would use something that's a non-selective herbicide, such as Roundup, that has glyphosate in it. This is going to remove all of the green and leave you with a brown canvas. Now, this is the stage that really scares most people, but it's a stage that cannot be avoided. The worst is behind us. The next step is to prep for seeding. If possible, we want to break the soil up a little bit. And next, we get the seed down. At this point, we can put down any soil amendments and our fertilizer. It's going to be important to water properly and keep the seed moist. That brown lawn will start turning green in no time. Depending on the type of seed, you can expect germination within 7 to 15 days. Now that you have reset your lawn, if you continue to water and fertilize your new lawn properly, you will have a beautiful green canvas that you can be very proud of.